Well, welcome back to Idaho Reloader. Now, if you have been a follower of my channel for a while, you know that almost 3 years ago, I had just completed a reloading room in my garage in our place in Idaho. I will put a link to that video in one of these corners right here. You can check that out. We've been in Minnesota now for 3 years, and my stuff is literally still in boxes to this day. Well, that ends here real shortly. I simply have not had anywhere to put my equipment here in this house. That has changed. I'll give you that news here and tell you kind of exactly what happened. But this is going to be my new reloading room. It is about 3 times the size of my last one. So I couldn't be more excited about it. And I really actually need your input. I'm going to be posting this, obviously mini series of videos. There is a lot of work to do in this room to even get prepared to set this up for reloading. So look for future content. If you're not subscribed, I highly recommend you do that. Make sure you hit the bell for the notifications, and you'll get that notification when new videos are released. So let me first give you a little bit of overview of what's going on here. I'm currently down in the basement of our home. So let me kind of show you part of the basement, and let me show you exactly why I've actually chosen this room specifically. All right, so here in the basement, this whole hallway here actually wasn't here. From this corner over. This was all in a big empty room, and so we actually added in this storage room. We added in this actually, what's now the 5th bedroom in the house. I'm using my office here temporarily. That's actually all my stuff in boxes right there. But the reloading room is right across the hall. And so these 2 rooms were used by our kids, and they've since moved out. And so we're empty nesters now. So might as well take one of the bedrooms. You know what would be nice here would be a safe door, don't you think? But the reason I chose this room is because it's encased in concrete behind the drywall. All 4 sides has concrete behind it. So it's nice and quiet and sheltered. But obviously a fair amount of work to do in this room. Wall repair and paint. This kind of wood ceiling, it's going to come out. It's kind of coming apart in a lot of places. It's actually, from what I see, it's actually dropped 5 inches from the floor joist up above. So maybe I can raise that up a little bit. There's going to be obviously lighting to do in here. Electrical looks good as far as the outlets go. Plenty of that in here. Do I keep the carpet? I don't know about that. So would love your input. Put your comments below. Let me know what you think. And again, follow me on Instagram if you're not. I'll be posting a lot of polls over there. Well, obviously a safe door is probably out of the question, but if you happen to sell safe doors, I'll be more than happy to partner with you on that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in here. This project's going to start really quick. It's going to go fast and furious. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you do that. And again, make sure you're following me on Instagram. There'll be a lot of updates over there. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you soon.